Ever found yourself intrigued by a younger woman but unsure if she wants you to make the first move? Today, we're diving into the subtle yet revealing signals a younger woman may send to indicate her interest in an older man. Ready to unlock the secrets of understanding these unique cues? Let's jump right in and explore them together. 1. Body language clues. Body language can be a telling indicator of a younger woman's interest in an older man. Body language, often more honest than words, can reveal what one truly feels. Firstly, consider prolonged eye contact. A casual glance can be an unspoken invitation and a window into interest and curiosity. When a woman holds your gaze longer than usual, it can be her subtle way of showing attraction. Next up, mirroring body movements. This is when she subconsciously copies your actions. If you lean in, she leans in. If you take a sip of your drink, she does the same. It's a dance of synchrony, suggesting she's in tune with you. This mirroring is a sign of comfort and connection, often done without even realizing it. Lastly, let's touch on subtle physical touches. A light brush on the arm, a playful nudge, or adjusting your collar. These small actions can speak volumes. They are gentle ways of breaking the physical barrier, indicating she's comfortable with you and may want to get closer. Remember, while body language can be revealing, it's not a definitive guide, but rather a piece of the puzzle in understanding her interest. 2. Verbal cues. Now, let's tune into verbal cues, the mixture of words and sounds that can signal a younger woman's interest. The way she speaks, her laughter, and her engagement in conversation can reveal more than just friendly chatter. Starting with the tone of voice, it's all about the way she speaks to you compared to others. When a woman is interested, her tone might soften, become more playful, or even fluctuate to express excitement. Listen for those subtle changes. They're often the biggest indicators of attraction. Laughter is another key note. When she genuinely laughs at your jokes, even the not-so-funny ones, she wants you to see her and see that she appreciates you. So don't take this laughter as just courtesy. It's an intimate connection, a shared moment of joy. It's her way of saying she enjoys your company and finds comfort in your presence. Finally, engaging in deep conversations. If she's eager to dive into meaningful topics, sharing thoughts and asking questions, it shows she values your opinions and enjoys intellectual intimacy with you. This level of engagement is a clear indicator that she's not just passing time, but is genuinely interested in exploring the depths of your mind. Verbal cues, therefore, are the essence of communication, revealing the interest that might otherwise remain unspoken. 3. Social media interactions. The digital world of social media interactions can give you the signals you need to know if you need to make the first move on a young woman. In today's connected age, the way someone interacts with you online can be a fascinating window into their feelings. For a younger woman interested in an older man, her social media behavior can be a modern-day love letter. First off, consider the likes on old photos. Scrolling through past memories and leaving a like is like sending a signal flare from the past saying, "I'm interested enough to explore your history." It's a deliberate action showing she's keen to know more about you. Then there are comments on posts. When she leaves thoughtful or playful comments, it's her way of entering your digital space, leaving a mark of her presence. It's akin to a subtle nudge, in order to remind you of her presence and that she is into you. Lastly, initiating chats can be the most direct signal in the social media world. If she's starting conversations, sharing memes, or asking about your day, it's a digital form of reaching out, creating a bridge between her world and yours. She's opening a door, inviting you to step into her digital space for more personal interactions. In essence, increased social media activity is the modern-day equivalent of those long, handwritten letters of the past, filled with nuances and indications of interest, waiting to be decoded in the language of likes, comments, and messages. I hope you're finding this video insightful so far. If you are, how about showing a little support? A quick thumbs up, dropping a comment, or hitting that subscribe button really goes a long way. 4. Plans and invitations. Suggesting future outings or extending invites can be yet another subtle yet significant sign of interest. When a younger woman begins to propose plans or asks you to join her at events, she's sketching a map for potential shared adventures. Imagine this. She suggests catching that new movie next weekend or asks if you'd like to join her at a local concert. This is her opening a door, hinting at a desire for more personal time together. It's like saying, "I enjoy your company and want to experience more of it," without directly stating it. These invitations are little seeds of possibility, planted to see if a deeper connection can grow. By including you in her plans, she's subtly indicating that she values your presence in her future moments. It's a step beyond casual interaction, a venture into shared experiences that create lasting memories. Moreover, the way she talks about these plans, with enthusiasm, detail, and anticipation, adds another layer to this sign. In essence, when a younger woman starts weaving you into her future plans, it's a sign that she's open to exploring what lies ahead together. Keep an eye out for these invitations. They could be the beginning of a beautiful journey. 5. Seeking your advice or opinion. When a younger woman frequently turns to you for your thoughts on personal matters, it's a sign of trust and interest. This gesture is a bridge she's building, inviting you into her world. Think about it. When she asks for your advice on a decision she's facing or your opinion on a matter close to her heart, she's not just looking for answers. She's valuing your perspective, showing that your thoughts and experiences matter to her. This frequent request for your input is a sign of respect and admiration. She sees you as a person of wisdom and experience, someone whose judgment she trusts. It's a form of intimacy, sharing parts of her life that she might not readily share with others. Moreover, the way she reacts to your advice is crucial. Whether she considers it seriously or engages in deeper discussions about it further indicates her regard for you. When a younger woman often seeks your advice or opinion, it is a signal that she respects you not just as a person but as an influencer in her life, someone whose insights she cherishes and values. 6. Physical proximity and accessibility. When a younger woman makes an effort to be physically near or available to spend time with an older man, it can be a major indicator of her interest. She's choosing to be close to you, a decision as deliberate as it is revealing. Consider those moments when she finds reasons to be near you, whether it's choosing the seat next to you at a group outing or coincidentally showing up at places you frequent. She's silently saying, "I want to be in your world." This physical closeness allows for shared experiences and unspoken connections, building a foundation that isn't only mere acquaintance. Then there's her availability. It speaks volumes when she makes time in her schedule to be with you. She's prioritizing you in her busy life. Whether it's agreeing to plans or initiating meetups, her willingness to spend time together is a beacon signaling her interest and openness to a deeper connection. Physical proximity and making herself accessible are a way of bridging the gap between mere interaction and genuine connection. When she chooses to be near you, it's a signal worth noticing, a silent language of interest and invitation. Now, for the grand finale, our bonus tip. Pay attention to how she reacts when other women are around you. This observation can be a fascinating barometer of her interest level. Notice the moments when she is jealous, or even the subtle ways she distinguishes herself when in a group, especially with other women present. When other women join the conversation, does she engage more actively, or perhaps try to find a way to stand out? It could be through her humor, her insights, or even by steering the conversation back to topics she knows you're interested in. Another aspect to observe is her body language in these situations. Does she position herself closer to you or maintain eye contact, as if creating an invisible thread that keeps you connected amidst the social landscape? These actions are huge silent signals, speaking volumes about her interest and comfort level with you. Remember, this isn't about interpreting every interaction as a sign of deep interest. It's about understanding the nuanced ways in which she might show that she values your attention and enjoys your company, particularly in the dynamic environment of social interaction. Observing how she navigates these moments can offer valuable insights into her feelings and interest level. Now that you know how to tell when she wants you to make the first move, what's next for you? Discover the signs she likes you but is trying to hide it, or learn how to get a younger woman's attention. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.